Hi guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to put fascia onto your house. So the first step is go to architecture, go to the roof dropdown, and you'll have roof fascia. Now it only comes with one size, and I know that the standard, at least what we did in BIM 1, is 1 by 10. So I'm just going to duplicate this, change that to a 1 by 10, hit OK, and then change the profile to 1 by 10. Okay, so now I've got my fascia there. I'm going to zoom in, and then it's going to connect to the line that you draw it on. So if I do down there, it's going to go below that line. So I don't want that. So I'm going to Control Z that, and I'm going to place it on the top line. And then you're putting in your fascia there. We're just going to put it in on some sides here, and as you notice, I'm going to Control Z that. I can look, 1 second. All right, as I put it on this side, I put it on here, it meters it automatically, so it gives it a nice just flush look there. Now this may not be the case with every fascia. As you can see, sometimes they extend above and below. So what we want to do is to change some of that. Actually, that one's a 1 by 12, so that might be why we're having such an issue with it. Change that. Why is it a 1 by 12? Yeah, still having that problem. So sometimes what you have to do is you have to go into it and you have to modify the metering. Sometimes that works. You have vertical, perpendicular, horizontal. And what that does is, as you can see, perpendicular will go like if it's at an angle, it'll make it flat there. So that's good for like ends of roofs. Maybe have different metering there. Horizontal cuts it flat horizontally like that. And then vertical cuts it obviously vertical, so just like it was before. Now, as you can see, sometimes these don't want to work. So what you can do also in your fascia is add or remove segments. So if you wanted to, you could extend it back, you could extend it forward, past, if that maybe that'll make it line up a little bit better with the one on the side view. But then it extends even further low. And then what I've found to fix this is to just use a void extrusion, which I did a video on that before. So you can use a void extrusion to cut off this little corner here, and that'll make that look flush. Fascias don't always like to work together, and the metering tool doesn't always work. Sometimes they just do them on themselves and they look good. They do right here, it'll meter itself, but sometimes when they're at different planes or different thicknesses, so like I think this top roof is a little bit jutted out further than this one is, so that's why it's having that issue, as you can see. But yeah, you can either move your roof if it's not lining up, or you can use a void extrusion to fix that. But yeah, so it's just a little touchy, but it still works. So if you have any questions, let me know.